Okay, now I'm gonna do the Mustang. I haven't figured out how to put bond drop on here yet, but I will probably tonight. Got some new servos in. Okay. Trying to figure out how I'm going to put a parachute on this Mustang. Oh well, I'm just going to fly it. I think I just bit a wheel. Alright. Alright. See all my lights on my Mustang? Landing lights, red lights, my white strobe lights, and my red tail light. Alright, it's a really nice day out here now. So here we go. See my ailerons are backwards. I think my ailerons are backwards. Go. She's right here. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! I had my ailerons backwards. I had to bring her in with my rudder. Should have checked that shit. I checked they were working, but it didn't check up or down, left or right. Come on! Pretty sure my ailerons are backwards. I had to bring it in low and use the rudder. Just big battery motor in there. Yeah, that's right. Huh. Yeah, that's alright. Okay.
Hey, man! Look at this guy.
She was right there.
Where's the match? It's on.
Huh.
Look at it go. Look at it go. Let's go. Let's get the rep. Come on.
There we go. Stop, baby. There, she's trimmed out. This is my favorite plane, you know it?
Where's George?
He's got company.
Come here, bud. Hey, bud.
you look close, you can see my lights in there. Watch when it comes at us. I bring it around at us. Watch.
You got fleas on you.
I don't have fleas on me. You mean gnats? The gnats.
They're definitely fleas.
The gnats.
They're gnats.
Like mini flies. They like people who sweat. Watch, see? Loop. I mean, roll, that's called a row. See, that's a row. This is a loop. That's a loop. See if we can mess up this bird a little bit. Where'd he go? flat out right stalled it. Looks like I belly landed it though. Alright, let's go find it. Come on, bird, get it. Come on. Yeah, come on. Come on. Come on. Stay.
She's gonna jump out.
Stay. Worried about this trunk closing later.
She jumped out.
You see?
Yeah.
Oh well.
Thanks.
Yeah, she did.
Where did it land?
I'm just gonna go right this way. Get! Out here in the snow. I think I pretty much belly landed it. Oh.
Oh, man, you're really genius. There.
Where?
Over there.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure neighbors like mine. Is that it?
Yeah.
She's so funny. Look at her.
Trying to make her run all that dirt off. Nope. Beautiful. No breakage at all. That's the advantage of flying in high grass. Yeah, the crop ain't bent, nothing. Good deal. Push the wheel back a little bit. Yeah, we're all good to go. No breakage anywhere. Yeah. Come on, man. Come on, man. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Yeah, come on. Hold on, break.
Oh, hang on.
I'm just going to let you guys your curve, and then I'm taking over. Go ahead and go. Let me shut this door. Follow these tire tracks. Don't go so hard and muddy up the car. Head to that trail. Don't turn for grass here. Okay?
Why do you hold this thing?
Because it's right out here.
Alright, where do I go?
Just stop right here. We'll fly some more. That's good.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna show everybody this, yeah. You ready to shut it off? Do what you do. Look at that lady that has that. Alright.